Projector mount adjustments. Important. Macro adjustment knobs are only for large adjustments. Use smaller micro adjust knobs to make minor adjustments. For roll adjustment, turn micro adjust knob 1 as required. For yaw adjustment, turn micro adjust knob 2 as required. For pitch adjustment, turn micro adjust knob 3 as required. For horizontal adjustment, turn macro adjust knob 4A as required. Loosen 2 hex head bolts under projector mount assembly. Slide projector mount assembly left or right as necessary. For zoom adjustment, turn macro adjust knob 5A as required. Loosen 2 hex fasteners on boom arm. Slide boom arm in or out as necessary. For vertical adjustments, turn macro adjust 6A as required. Loosen 2 hex head bolts. Rotate clockwise to raise arm and counterclockwise to lower arm.